Frost Incorporated has a long history of making top-quality overhead conveyor systems and components. Since it began in 1913, Frost has earned a reputation for producing excellent systems and components for the automotive, food, aerospace, heavy-duty truck, off-road vehicle, paint finishing, office furniture, and appliance industries throughout the world. As an ISO 9000 certified QSTE compliant company, we use systems geared for reliability of the products we make. We know how to supply the appropriate system and conveyor component for each application, and we recommend and specify which chain, trolley construction, and seal design that will best suit your application to ensure a smooth running conveyor. In addition, Frost is an innovator creating products that provide benefits to customers by identifying problems and finding solutions.
We listen very carefully to our customers' problems and then target our innovations exactly at creating the solution that they need.
One good example of a Frost innovation is the SmoothLink chain, which Frost designed in the mid-90s.
At that time, our industry had 3 producers of X-chains, and they were all producing the same basic design that had been used by the industry for approximately 60 years. And Frost felt that by making changes to the design, to the process, to the material, that we could come up with a chain that would perform better in application than that of our competitors.
Before SmoothLink chains were created by Frost, manufacturers had to rely on chains made of Microtough, a product that is rough forged with a high irregularity on the barrel of the chain and pin surface. The problem with Microtough is that after the material comes off the hot forge, it's quenched, giving the material an inconsistent core. During the process, the Microtough material is put into varying liquid temperatures, resulting in an inconsistent in-use product. This causes irregular wear. To verify the accuracy of uneven wear, engineers use an electronic chain wear monitor. Data collected by the PhotoOptic digital monitor verifies wear patterns during the life cycle of the chain. It also shows how much stretch is in the line, resulting in irregularities of uneven wear during the first few weeks of runtime. The SmoothLink chain designed by Frost offers solutions to 3 problems associated with the rivetless chain: initial slack during startup, irregular, inconsistent, and accelerated wear patterns, and breaks in chain components due to fatigue or stress cracks.
The wear monitor is now showing us that we are getting longer life, that we're getting uniform wear, that we are maintaining our exact pitch, and that the product itself simply is lasting longer.
When customers compare the Frost SmoothLink chain to the competition, they see a dramatic difference. A Ford Motor Company truck assembly plant in Kentucky collected data over an extended period of time, comparing the Frost 8640 SmoothLink to the Microtough 15 on the same paint line. Prior to installing the SmoothLink, Ford measured the wear pattern of the Microtough product at 7.75 inches per week for 3,000 feet of chain. After using the SmoothLink for 7 weeks, Ford says the wear pattern dropped to 4.86 inches per week. This is a 60% improvement during a 7-week period. After a runtime cycle of 1 year, Ford says the improvement was even more dramatic. Based on their data, Ford has shown the SmoothLink chains in the Kentucky truck assembly plant to have a life cycle of 72 months or more compared to Microtough's 32 months. That's an improvement of more than 125% on the same conveyor line.
If I look at the benefits of SmoothLink chain from the standpoint of an engineer, I'm looking at a wear-resistant product that certainly today is proving itself superior.
It's proven to be the best value, but very importantly, it also now is a very predictable product. And so you can actually predict the wear and predict the life of the product and then measure to see that you got what you expected.
Besides the reliability and the durability, the long life that SmoothLink gives you, it actually runs quieter because of the smooth design. There's less friction on it, so it reduces the amperage draw at the conveyor drive, which extends the life of that conveyor drive itself.
Each Frost SmoothLink chain has quality built in from concept through the delivery of parts. During the production process, quality checks are done every step of the way.
We do a lot of pre-testing, through our processes. We also stress test all of our chain before we ship it out. We pull all of our chain before it leaves here. Every 10-foot strand is pulled.
Frost offers customers quality service after the sale in a program called the Wellness Plan.
Well, it's to help the customers evaluate the condition of their current systems, evaluate components in that system, go in there and maybe we monitor their conveyor chain to tell where it's at in its life, whether it needs to be replaced at this point in time.
All Frost SmoothLink chains are heat treated, quenched, and tempered in controlled atmospheres, resulting in a through hardness and ductility that are controlled and consistent. Customers benefit because SmoothLink chains wear consistently from part to part, maintain pitch, and eliminate chain breaks due to variation in chain components.
Prior to SmoothLink, it was a normal occurrence to have chain breaks. With SmoothLink, we've been able to remove that danger from the plant environment, and it certainly has been a very satisfactory result.
The Frost chains have proven not to break in high-stress applications, yet competitive chains have been breaking in these high-stress chain applications, and it's been a concern of the industry for a number of years. When you see the data from actual measurements in the field of our chain, and you listen to what the customers are telling us, where perhaps they had 2 years maximum life in a line before, and now they're projecting 5 or 6.
We at Frost feel that our #1 priority is life cycle cost savings. Much more than the initial price, we all know you get what you pay for. And if we can produce major cost savings down the road in terms of longer life, no chain breaks, and regular wear patterns for the customer, it will pay for itself over and over and over again.
I think the reason that we've had this success is that one by one, factory by factory, we've been able to prove that the products really do work and that they really are a benefit and that they really are, frankly, better than the competition.
If you'd like to increase your productivity by eliminating the initial break-in time for conveyor systems and avoid irregular wear patterns and chain breakage, contact us at Frost Incorporated. Our SmoothLink chains have demonstrated their increased life cycle and superiority over the competition in manufacturing facilities around the globe.